Hey guys, it's Phantoms. Welcome to Wednesday for episodes. So today we're gonna build a Rubik's Cube house. Yeah. So you remember playing Rubik's Cube from a God's thoughts? And you get to Rubik's Cube house. Get to Rubik's Cube house again. And stop Rubik's Cube house. And don't stay in 10 minutes. Not again. Don't stand 10 minutes. Don't stand 10 minutes. Don't stand 10 minutes. I don't stand 10 minutes. Don't stand 10 minutes. And hello again, fishies. Don't stand 10 minutes. Don't stand 10 minutes. And it's a snooper fish is swimming around. Yeah. There's a fishies and fill up the water buckets. This and I'm going to get to the challenge show here. The challenge. I'm going to do this for family event. Let's get to this cube. Let's see. You see the Rubik's Cube house. You can't do the challenge. So, Rubik's Cube house must be right here. Tiny baby before. So tiny little baby. Now again, don't stay in 10 minutes. It's a Rubik's Cube. Blue. It's a black going. My goodness, this is handy enough to do. Going to the Rubik's Cube house. Rubik's Cube. There you go. We colorate. Soft it. Let's see here. Not only two. That. There you go. Let's go. This looks cute. Mr. Fish. Not good me. It's cute. Over there. It's cute house. You go now. Really scared to think so. It's really cute house. See here. Over there. See that? Better just get in here. Stupid John. Come that's here and here. Like this and like this. No. Like there. Nice. cube. Let's see better do that. And it's all done. With this cube's all done. Yay! All done with the Rubik's Cube house. Yes, yes, yes. All done with the Rubik's Cube house. Finally. It took so ever. Using Rubik's Cube. Go in. Through a doorway. There we go. This cube house is finished. Yeah. Now sabotage. And hope you enjoyed the video, the episode of the Rubik's Cube house. Yay! And thanks for watching. Hopefully see you later. Bye.